Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you how to grocery shop safely at the moment and some meal prep ideas grocery last long. Did you see the video of the Dr. VanWingen? If you haven't, definitely check it out before watching this video. I had no idea that we have to do that much before watching the video. I follow the advice to get the food at the grocery store. First, make a note. I made a note what to buy to minimize the time staying at the grocery store to reduce the risks of the infection. Second, go when it's not crowded. A typical Japanese grocery store is not crowded from 2 to 4 p.m. You don't want to be in a long line, risking infection. Third, bring the sanitizer wipes or sanitizers and paper towels with you. Wipe the cart and everything you touch. Wearing gloves is only useful when you choose product. Throw them away before you touch your phones or wallet. Wear a face mask. Well, this is a controversial matter, but I still insist on wearing it. See the link in the description box below. What if you are asymptomatic? The latest research says that there are possibilities these people spreading the virus. If you are not 100% sure, please wear a mask. 5. Social distancing. Keep away from other shoppers, and do so when you wait for your turn at the register. Sanitize your hand when you are getting out of the store so that you can get the food safely into a car. Next, how to store your groceries in your kitchen. When you put your food into the pantry or fridge, we should sanitize it before putting it into the right place. Before removing the possible virus from the groceries, wipe the countertop with sanitizer. I put all the groceries on my kitchen floor before taking out. After sanitizing groceries, I put it on the countertop. Wipe down all the plastic wrapped food with sanitizer. The virus will live on the plastic for 3 days if you don't remove it. And I take out the snacks from the outside package. And take out broccoli and red bell pepper from the plastic bag. Rinse the vegetables and put them in the clean bag and put them in my fridge. Throw these excess packages away, and lastly, sanitize the reusable shopping basket. Next, we are working on the chilled stuff, meat and fish. Instead of wiping down the package, I decided to do a meal prep. Let's do it together. The first one is yellowtail. This is our favorite fish. We eat it simply grilled or teriyaki. Take out from the package and rinse under the cold running water and pat dry. Wash your hand every time you touch the outside package to avoid contamination. Next, asari clam. Dissolve 1 heaping teaspoon of salt in 3 cups of water. Soak clams in salty water for a couple of hours to make them spit out the sand inside. It's spring. It's the season of shellfish. We like clam in miso soup or steamed. Let's think about it later. Next, chicken breast. I am making salada chicken in 3 flavors. Take out from the package and pat dry. Remove the skin and excess fat and cut into 2. Transfer to a Ziploc bag. One is curry chicken and one is mixed herb and one is soy sauce. Sous vide them at 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. The salada chicken is quite popular in Japan. It is moist and tender, and all of them taste so good and an excellent source of protein. Here is an alternative way to make salada chicken in a pot. Please check the previous salad chicken video if you are interested in. We can make French style sandwich and chicken salad and many more dishes with this salad chicken. Next, pork shoulder. I am going to make Japanese style pulled pork. This is so versatile, it is good to have in your fridge. My son loves it so much. Cut into chunks and put it in a pressure cooker. Add in smashed garlic, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of red miso, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sake. Secure the lid and put the weight on. Turn the heat to medium-high and cook until the steam comes out. Cook 10 minutes and turn off the heat. Leave it until completely chilled. It took me overnight. The next day, remove the fat as much as you can. Reheat and shred the pork. It looks a little bit watery, but it's a perfect ratio in the end. Transfer to a container and you can keep it for up to a week. You can make rice balls and udon noodles and even hot dogs. This is my favorite, sliders with easy guacamole. Next, steaks. I haven't decided yet what to make from this steak. Let's cut into chunks and just freeze it with a minimum amount of seasonings. Season with salt and pepper and grated garlic and laurel leaves. Next, chicken thigh. Chicken thigh is the most consumed meat in my house. I think I will make karaage and chicken curry, so I simply cut into chunks and season and freeze. One bag I season with salt and pepper and the other is grated ginger and soy sauce and mirin. Seal the bag and freeze. Last but not least, oysters. I don't know about the other country, how it's sold, but in Japan, they sell it in pillow bag filled with water. I use tip of the knife to open the bag. Do it in a sink to avoid splashing smelly water all over the surface. Add in a teaspoon of salt and give it a gentle massage. Can you see the water around the oyster turns into grayish? It's dirt dirty. After massaging them, gently rinse until the water runs clean. Pat dry and season with salt and pepper. Dust with flour and dredge in the frying batter. Then coat with panko breadcrumb. Freeze it in a container and it will be good for a month. It took me just 1 hour to prepare all the groceries. I feel so satisfied that I'm ready for the next several days. Do you eat nutritious food? You know what? Why so many people died of Spanish flu in 1918? They eat highly processed food like canned food or dried food that were innovative at the time. These foods lack of vitamins and minerals. We can still take nutritious food to keep us healthy so we can survive. Let's get through this challenging time together. Alright, that's it for today. If you have any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment. I really want to say thank you for all the medical staffs all over the world for risking their lives to save patients. Stay at home and stay safe and stay healthy. That's the best contribution. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!